Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need baseline labs and a clear plan, so get a CBC and ferritin now and record the numbers. Once you have results, begin oral iron immediately. Choose an appropriate dose such as 65 mg elemental iron daily or 325 mg ferrous sulfate twice a day. Take iron on an empty stomach or with a small vitamin C source to boost absorption. Make sure to avoid calcium, tea, and coffee for 2 hours around the dose, so absorption isn't blocked. Once you start therapy, intensify monitoring and adjust based on response. Recheck CBC and reticulocyte count at 2 to 4 weeks to confirm a marrow response and rising hemoglobin. If hemoglobin fails to rise or ferritin remains under 15 micrograms per liter, and oral therapy is intolerable or insufficient, arrange intravenous iron to replenish stores quickly. At the same time, investigate and treat underlying causes. Look for gastrointestinal bleeding, heavy menstrual loss, or malabsorption conditions like celiac or Helicobacter pylori. Finish the course. Continue iron for at least 3 months after ferritin and hemoglobin normalize to rebuild stores and prevent relapse. Make sure you adhere to dosing, avoid interacting foods and medications, and use vitamin C to help absorption. If symptoms persist or labs worsen, troubleshoot by confirming adherence, reviewing interactions with antacids or calcium, and repeating evaluation for ongoing blood loss. If gastrointestinal side effects limit oral therapy, switch formulations, or move promptly to intravenous iron to complete repletion and restore function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.